and this guarantee won't move anywhere like all day long. As you can see, nothing. Hey girls, are you ready for a new, nice, fresh, glam holiday look, makeup look? As you can see, I do have some glitter golden dress on myself right now. I do have gold nails that I've done myself. Everything is ready besides my makeup. If you are interested in what I'm going to do today, just keep on watching and I'll walk you through step by step. First, the most important thing is to prep your skin. All you need to do is to, maybe before your makeup routine, half time, 30 minutes before you begin to do something about makeup, just put your cream, daily cream that you usually use, that works for your skin, and after 30 minutes you can start putting makeup on. What I recommend, don't skip using primer for your skin, primer for your eyes, and it's really important to prep your eyelids, eyes and your skin, starting with your eyes. I'm putting some eye primer on my skin. I do like using Smashbox primer. It's really the best that I've been using by now. Of course, you can use whatever you can find in your drugstores, but it will do. But I do like this one. It helps my makeup, eye makeup stays the same all the day. Like, it's really 24 hours shadow primer. It is really. So I'm really recommending this one. Next step for all of you beginners, just use some makeup tape for your eyes. If you don't have makeup tape, it's just alright. I'm using like this. I'm using this one because I'm out of my makeup tapes, so it will work. Now it's on and we can start doing my eyes. When it comes to eyes, it will be really nice to use some transition shade before starting doing some really like, how to say, really strong colors. So it's really recommended to use first transition shade in some like cream color. So first put this on your eyelids, and then can you, like this, you are prepping your eyes for some strong eyeshadows that will come afterwards. All over your eyelid, it's really important that you use this transition shade every time before you start using this strong eyeshadow colors. Transition shade will help for these ones to be to blend even better. I'm using this one as my transition shade before I start putting some dark colors. So all over your eyelid. You don't need to be precise about putting some transition shade. Just all over your eyelids. So you can put some darker color. I like this caramel, nice brown caramel tones, and I will use this one now. This one is really nice color. I adore it. So this one I will put on the third corner of my eyelid, and this really makeup type like tape really helps for all of you who are beginners to look more precise and professional makeup. And also this caramel color is really nice for all of you who have blue eyes. Really don't be afraid to use this one if you haven't used yet. It really looks nice on your eyes too. If you are out for some intense look, then you can add just black eyeshadow on the third corner of your eye. Just a little bit. I will show you. I'm using the black eyeshadow right now, and I will put this also just a little bit here to make this eye look even more intense. Before I apply dark eyeliner on my eyes, I will put this 24 karat Revolution palette for eyeshadows. I will put some golden eyeshadow. This is my favorite, I will show you. It really looks beautiful and nice on your eyelids. Really some like gold shimmer, and you have this glitter gold also. So this is really nice eyeshadow palette. I'm really happy, and I'm using this like all the time, every year on New Year's Eve. So I'm really recommending that you get this 24 karat gold Revolution palette. It really is like gold. So, like I said, before doing eyeliner, black eyeliner, I will put this eyeshadow first, and then you will see the complete look of my right eye. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but this is just die for eyeshadow. I'm just in love with this one. Oh God. As you can see, I'm just taking this eyeshadow and I'm kind of tapping it on my eyelid. To make your eyes pop even more, add a little bit of white eyeshadow on this place here. I will show you. Just put a little bit. No need to put more, very much, but just a little bit. Now we're ready for some dark eyeliner. I'm using this one. This is so great to have for us makeup artists. You can put in here whatever you want. Your foundation, your primer, your eyeliner, your lipstick also. So it's really good thing to have. The eyeliner trick is to put it only on the third part of your this waterline. I will show you. And you should be applying really thin line. Now you can put some burnt caramel color on the closest to your waterline also, and blend it with this dark eyeliner. It will look great. So this is the same color that we used here on the third corner of your eyelid. You see this nice, really nice straight line here. Looks really professional, really precise, just like it should be. Just when you've done with your eyes, then you can go forward to your face. I'm using this one primer, like that's pore free, from Inglot. You can use whatever you can find in your drugstores. Also, I recommend all MAC Cosmetics primers. They are just fabulous, so I like using them also. So it's either Inglot or it's MAC Cosmetics primer for me. You can do this with your brushes, or you can do this with your fingers. I like using combinations of my hand, or sometimes I use my brushes. It's just up to you what you think that works best for you. Start with liquids. First I will begin with putting my foundation on my face. I'm using this NARS foundation in shade M1. I'm really satisfied with this one. I like all foundations from MAC Cosmetics too, like this one also, and it really has this nice coverage too. If you're up to that, it really gives this matte feeling on your skin without any shine and anything. So I'm just recommending this one for all of you that don't like these shiny, oily foundations. I'm using nice flat brush. It's really nice, and it does blend all kinds of foundations nicely on your face. Some of you maybe like using sponges, some of you like using fingertips. Whatever works for you, you can use, but I personally like to put foundation with my brush. I do it all the time and I'm just satisfied how it turns out. When you've done with your foundation, the next step would be concealer. I'm using this 24-hour MAC Studio Fix. I won't change this one. This one is like must have. I use the smallest amount, like dots, here and there. You can put a little bit here too. Draw a little line here, like 10 small line, to make my nose even like smaller. I will do something like this. You'll see my trick, what I do, and just draw another line like so. When you've done with that, you will draw like 2 lines on the side of your nose like this. Do the same thing on the other side too. Maybe add a little bit more if you feel like it's not enough. And I would recommend that you color this too. Just shade it like a little bit here and on the other side too of your nose. A little line here too, just above your ear, and follow this line. Not put here, but just follow your bone like there, and just draw a little small line here. So after you're done with your liquids, before you start shading and everything, don't forget to bake your face. I'm using this fluffy nice brush. I'm having my translucent powder also, and you put a little bit of this one under your eyes and let it stay like for 3 minutes, for example. Let it just tap it in under your eye area. Where did you use? There where you use your concealer. After you're done, so just put a little bit translucent powder right under your eye, let it stay for 3 minutes, and then wipe it off like light moves under your eyes so that your concealer is sealed. And after I'm done that, I will use some brush. We cannot go without brush. We'll put some nice rosy color on my cheeks. You see the difference between this side and this side. Don't forget your highlighter also. A highlighter I apply here on the highest point of your cheeks. Look how nice it is, this one. I'm using the one from Inglot. So now for this glam look to be like full, I won't go out without my red lipstick. I recommend using a red lip liner. It's really important with reds that you first use lip liner and then afterwards can you put your lipstick on. I'm using this one from MAC. It's my favorite also. If you liked my lips, I used NYX liquid lipstick in red. It's called, let's see, Shine Loud Rebel in red. NYX. You can have a little bit shine also, so you can use this other side, but if you want it to stay matte, so you use only this red side. And I can just show you one trick also. If you want this to be really like staying all day long on your lips, not moving anywhere, because red lipsticks have tendency to do so. So you can also use this translucent powder, just just a little bit. Take your brush, just put a little bit of your corn on your corners, and this guarantee won't move anywhere like all day long. As you can see, nothing. And that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, just write in the comments below. I'll be glad to do it, and subscribe, like, and see you next time.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.